This stretch is used to open out the hip and stretch the hip flexors and the psoas muscle. So Jason is lunging forward with his left leg. Make sure you don't close down the knee joint, and the key is to keep the chest up rather than leaning forwards into that bent knee. So now the stretch is coming down the top of the right thigh. To increase that stretch, Jason, if you now tighten up your right bum cheek and try and tuck your pelvis under, you should find that that increases the stretch in that right thigh. To challenge core stability, you can raise your arms up and overhead. Make sure you keep the chest up and back rather than leaning into that bent knee. We can then progress the stretch to work into the lower back. So if you reach and lean over to your side over the bent knee, keeping that chest open rather than leaning forwards. If you don't have the flexibility to get all the way, you can use a yoga block or an object to help you balance as you lean across. You can then take the stretch the opposite way, reaching over the back leg. Keep the chest open and lunge into that left knee. You would then repeat the stretch on the opposite side. These next variations increase the stretch further and start to stretch down into the quadriceps as well. So you can place an object under the back foot or even prop the foot up against the wall. So you should feel a stronger stretch down the inside of that right quad. Alternatively, you can wrap a band or a towel or a scarf around that back leg and draw the heel in towards your bottom. You might need extra padding under the knee, and make sure that that front leg is still lunged forwards and the chest is still up and high.